In today's video, we are going to show you how to request a refund on Oopbuy. Whether you ordered the wrong item, changed your mind, or ran into an issue, this video will help you get your money back the right way. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and go to the top right corner where you can see the option that says Orders or My Orders or Order Center from your dashboard. This will forward you to the order section, okay? And you want to make sure to check the order status. Here, all I have to do is provide the order number and then choose the order status, because refunds are usually only available if the item hasn't been shipped yet. Okay, for example, it's just around here, the clear balance. But if your order has been shipped or arrived, there's gonna be a problem and refund options may be limited or unavailable. Of course, you need to provide the product details, and if you do, okay, click on the search button. What will happen is it would open the specific order that you wanted to refund. Now, all I have to do, if you have that option, submit the refund request. As you can see, I don't have any item for me to request a refund. But if you do, you need to pick one or a reason for that specific refund. For example, maybe you ordered by mistake, item is out of stock, maybe there's a price issue, a seller problem, you change your mind, so pick the one that best fits your situation. And once you've selected the reason, review everything before you click submit, and after submitting, review your request and notify you of the next step. Another option that you can do while at it is go to the returns and refund section right here, and you might want to read some information that could potentially fix your problem in getting a refund on Oopbuy. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.